Alright, so the market continues its insane uptrend. Apparently our stocks are unstoppable, but of course, we know very well that's not true. Yes, the trend is up, but regardless of what's happening over here, we should always work strategically, paying attention to signals, upcoming targets, and possible turning points. And that's exactly what this video is about. Without inciting panic or euphoria, without assumptions or guesswork, we are gonna always base our ideas on technical evidence, facts, and charts. My dear friends, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, I'm a trader and I like to share my ideas here on my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Now, as we can see here, SPY is materializing a solid bullish reaction today. It is breaking yesterday's high and it is leaving the 574 as a support level behind as well. Alright, this key point, the 574, was the previous all-time high from September 26 over here. Now, it is clearly acting as a support level on the short term. By leaving this key point behind, SPY is triggering another bullish continuation chart structure. There is not a single top signal, there is not a single bearish reversal chart structure over here that could convince me that SPY will correct again. The most important key point on the short term is 574, because only by losing this key point, SPY would technically trigger a pullback for us, alright? And remember, pullbacks are not reversals, alright? A pullback in a bull trend is more often than not just another buying opportunity. If we see a reversal, SPY would need to lose the 565, the previous all-time high from July this year, which is acting as a quite important support level. So let's pay attention to these two key points. The trigger point of a pullback is the 574. The trigger point of a real, serious midterm reversal on the daily chart is 565, all right? These are the two most important support levels. Now, the 21-day EMA is another interesting support level for us, which did act as a support level last time. However, right now, it is ascending, it is approaching the price, it is approaching the 574 support level as well, meaning the 21-day EMA only reinforces the upward momentum, all right? So far, we are still very bullish. Now, the QQQ is in a more delicate position because we have yet to break the $493. We are trying to break it today, all right? If we close above the 493, that's gonna be very good. We could finally trigger another bullish continuation chart structure back to the all-time high area around $500, all right? This is a realistic scenario to work with. However, if we see, this is fiction, all right? We don't know. We can't tell the future, all right? We cannot predict the future, but we can react properly to what we see right here, right now. Remember, real trading is reactive. It is not predictive. Right now, there is not a single top signal. Okay, there's only another bullish reaction. However, if we see next week a top signal, okay, the QQQ could correct again to the 21-day EMA or even to the 477 down here. As long as we stay above these support levels, okay, the bull trend will likely persist. However, if we lose the 477, there is the possibility of a double top chart pattern below the gap resistance level over here. So we should be very careful in this area and pay attention to the 477. However, again, the trend is still very bullish. The QQQ is still under control. There is not a single alarming reaction over here suggesting a pullback ahead. So the bullish bias is persisting, all right? Like it or not, the trend is still very bullish, which is very good for a few stocks like Nvidia, for instance. Nvidia is very good. We are almost at our second target, $136. The previous top level from July this year over here is a technical target for us. By reaching this technical target and by materializing a top signal below the 136, Nvidia could trigger a pullback ahead. Any pullback to the 21-day EMA could be just another pullback, another harmless pullback, and possibly another buying opportunity. Because again, pullbacks in a bull trend are just buying opportunity, just like last time over here where Nvidia did this fantastic bullish reaction right above the 21-day EMA over here. In fact, this reaction is what Tesla should have done over here, all right? Because Tesla, just like Nvidia, was very bullish, all right? Right now it's collapsing today, all right? But it was very bullish. It was maintaining the price above the 21-day EMA, above this purple trend line, and right now, by losing this key point, Tesla is turning bearish again. It is below the 21-day EMA. It is making lower highs, lower lows, as you can see right here. All right, so it is in a bear trend. Any pullback to the $233 or even to the 21-day EMA again could be just another dead cat bounce. So the situation is quite delicate over here in Tesla, and the reaction we saw on Nvidia is what we should have seen on Tesla. All right, what Tesla did over here completely rejected any bullish possibility. All right, so guys, let me show you my personal layout that I share with the 5% projects members over here. Guys, Nvidia triggered a very nice buying opportunity near the 21-day EMA, pullback, bullish reaction. Now we are insanely bullish, about to hit our second target. Regarding Tesla frustrated this support area, this double support area, and right now it is turning bearish. It does not invalidate the idea that pullbacks in a bull trend are just buying opportunity. We have many other examples of stocks that actually materialized bullish reactions above their support levels other than Nvidia. For instance, Taiwan Semiconductor over here, above the stomach candlestick pattern, above the trend line, above the 21-day EMA. Classic buy signal over here. This one already broke our target at 189. Another example is here. ARM Holdings, all right, spinning bottom candlestick pattern above the trend line. By the moment this one closed above the spinning bottom's high, it triggered a classic buy signal over here. We have yet to hit our target, all right, this gap target over here, but it is performing very, very well since we bought it, which is roughly almost 8% in exactly one single week. Therefore, seeing Tesla frustrating this double support level is the exception, all right, is the exception. It is not the rule. Most of the time we see nice bullish reactions above our support levels, but right now we are just collapsing, all right. Tesla is indeed a fantastic stock, but right now, if you ask me, what is happening over here is that Tesla is approaching the 21-day EMA on the weekly chart, right above this purple trend line over here on the weekly chart as well. Therefore, we have a double support level, long-term speaking. If we see a bullish reaction in Tesla over here, we could see it bouncing to higher levels, maybe to retest the 21-day EMA on the daily chart again, because this is a very strong support level. But right now, it is too soon to tell. We don't see any meaningful bullish reaction yet. Oh, and guys, remember that all the trades described here in this video have been shared with our members in the 5% project on our Telegram channel, alright? Which is an educational project that teaches you how to trade following our strategy. You can download our complete ebook on technical analysis, which is totally free, and learn in practice with us, taking trades like these along with us in real time, alright? And as I have already said here, the 5% project doesn't just teach you the theory, alright? Because try to put yourself in my shoes over here. It would be so easy for me to just sell you guys a trading course teaching you guys how to analyze charts everything about technical analysis, chart patterns, statistics, etc. All right, and then I'll say, all right, guys, all right. Now, my friend, now you know everything I know. All right, so now, bye bye. It is up to you. It is time for you to grow up, be a man, and beat the market. All right, because now you are prepared. If you fail, well, how can you possibly fail? Because you are using my winning method. It is impossible for you to fail. If you fail, it's because you are just dumb. You don't have discipline. You have low IQ. You cannot comprehend. No, this is not how we work here. In fact, we do the inverse. We give you the theory for free, and we apply, because you can download our ebook for free. You can join our Telegram channel for free to test for 7 days, and then we apply our method every single day in practice. All right. And if you want to join a skin in the game trading community, the link to our website is in this video's description. All right. It's very easy. Now, back to our analysis over here. As we can see, Tesla is in a critical inflection point on the weekly chart. There is no technical evidence suggesting that it could recover, but if it does, we could see another bounce. If this bounce will be a dead cat bounce or not, we don't know yet. All right. Now, when we take a look at AMD, this one is another very good one, because as far as I'm aware, we are materializing a bullish reaction above a support level. The 162, the previous resistance level from August this year, which is very close to the 21-day EMA, is acting as a double support level for AMD. Right now, we see a very nice bullish reaction above this key point. We are bouncing nicely, making a bullish candlestick pattern on the daily chart. If you ask me, that's fantastic. This could be another buying signal, all right? Of course, this trade isn't gonna be as incredible as the one our 5% project members made this year on September 9 over here, but it is a good and valid idea from a technical point of view, because if we actually materialize a bottom signal over here, we have plenty of upside potential all the way up to the 187, our next technical resistance level. We have an open gap over here, which is a magnet for the price, right? Remember, gaps work as magnets for the price when trends reverse, all right? Right now, this gap is still open, so we still have a decent chance of continuing the bullish momentum over here, all right? So yes, AMD does look very good right now. It is looking quite promising. The 187 is a technical resistance level for us to work with in the next few days. Nathan, what if we lose the 162 support level? Okay, we are not supposed to be right 100% of the time. However, what is really important is that you know that the 162 should be your stop loss. Because if this trade goes wrong, and there is a chance that it will go wrong, well, you're gonna lose little, right? If it goes right, fantastic, you're gonna make a lot, much more than you are willing to risk. So that's how you trade strategically. That's how you use technical analysis in your advantage, all right? Now, when we take a look at Palantir, we see a bearish reaction right below the $45. Is this a top signal, Nathan? Not yet, but it could be. If we see Palantir's price losing today's low and closing below today's low in the next week, then okay, we may see a sharper correction all the way down to the 21-day EMA, or maybe to the $38 area over here, the previous top level. And that's okay. It is not gonna reverse the trend, but it could be a technical pullback in a bull trend. If we lose this double support level, then okay, we may see a sharper correction on the weekly chart. But so far, we are still very bullish, approaching our all-time high. Palantir is looking very interesting, but if you ask me, I would like to see a pullback in the next few days because, as you guys know, always buy near support levels, sell near resistance levels. All right, do not do the inverse. Some people do the inverse. They sell when it is dropping because they panic, and they buy when it is going up because they are afraid of missing the opportunity. No. Buy support levels, sell resistance levels. All right, now regarding NIO, this one, just like AMD, is looking very interesting. Bullish reaction around a support level above the $6 resistance level over here, which is now a clear support level for NIO. If we see a bottom signal materialized, fantastic, the bull trend will probably persist. We have a technical target at $7.71. And guys, if you're still watching this video after 17 minutes, right, almost 17 minutes right now, guys, consider subscribing to this channel because we are here every single day, keeping you guys updated on technical analysis, price action, etc. Come on, it is just too late for you because this is a video about technical analysis, and watching this video for 17 minutes, it requires some focus, all right? So certainly our content is very good for you. So again, subscribe and click the like button to show me some support. I highly appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Now, as you guys can see here, SOFI heading towards our next technical resistance level, which is $9.18. We are almost there. We just closed this gap over here. We don't see any meaningful top signal. There is not a single bearish reaction, and right now we are still very bullish. Nathan, what could convince you that SOFI is going to reverse the trend? Well, reverse, I don't know, but if we lose the $8.53, we are gonna materialize a pullback in the next few days. Oh, but we are so far away from this key point. Yes, we are far away. So it is gonna be very difficult for SOFI to actually trigger a pullback over here, but we'll see, all right? Only time will tell. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this channel every single day. Join the 5% project for more trading ideas, insights, and to learn how to trade like a professional. Thank you for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys on Monday. Stay safe. Bye-bye.